Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. In today's video, we are getting all those tedious last minute tasks done before these kiddos go back to school. So we have two gifts that we're going to be assembling for the teacher. One is a meet the teacher gift and the other one is a first day of school gift for the teacher. Super easy. You can pull this off last minute. And then we need to get Paisley's outfit ready for the first day of school. I need to steam that all up. And then we're going to be showing you guys our breakfast setup for the first day of school. You guys know I love to decorate. So we go all out and we decorate the breakfast nook. And then we're also going to be doing some themed breakfast ideas. So without further ado, let's get to it. So first things first, I am putting away our Summerween decorations from just the breakfast nook. I want to decorate this area for the first day of school. So I am going ahead getting a jump start on getting all that put away and pulling out her first day of school outfits so that it's ready to go the morning of. But I want to go ahead and also get her backpack all nice and prepared so everything is ready to roll and we can head out the door on the first day of school. I also wanted to mention anything that I have links for that is pictured in this video will be in the description box below. Now, you guys are welcome to laugh at me here, but every single year when I am steaming her dress for the first day of school and picture day, I cry every single time. I thought it'd be fun to make a first day of school photo prop, so that is what I'm doing here. So the goal was for this to look like a giant piece of paper on this poster board, and you could put whatever you want to on it. I put first day of school. If you guys have a Cricut, it is so much easier to do these on that. You can print it out very easily. Unfortunately, my Cricut is not working at the moment, but in the end, I feel like it was totally worth it for me to do it by hand. And I feel like it just poured a little extra love into it. So like I mentioned, you can totally make this on your Cricut, but you guys can go ahead and just screenshot this here if you'd like. I found this image just on Google and then I went ahead and cut it out by hand. I found these super cute little banner flags. I don't know what these are called, but I screenshotted it from Google and went ahead and just printed it out. And then I honestly just taped it down to the ruler. I was going to add some ribbon to it, but I felt like the ribbon I had just didn't totally go with the theme of it. So I think it turned out super cute, and you'll be seeing how I use this in just a moment. I am completely jealous of all my friends who are still in education that get to decorate an entire classroom every single year. So I thought it would be fun to bring that same classroom vibe into our breakfast nook to make the first day of school extra special. These posters may look familiar to some of you because we've used them before in our playroom. So I'm going ahead and just looking through them, seeing what are the ones that she's actually going to be learning about this year, so I can go ahead and put those ones up on the wall. I actually have several of these mugs, so for one of them, I'm going to go ahead and use it in this space to help decorate, but you guys are going to be seeing another one of these mugs later on in the video for the Meet the Teacher gift. This is such a fun first day of school gift for the teacher, and it's one that you can totally pull off last minute. So I went ahead and found an image that I liked, and I put it into ChatGPT so that I could personalize it with my daughter's name. And then I went ahead and put a gift card inside of this. I just thought it was the sweetest. Thank you for the first day full of glee. Dinner and dishes are on me. And then we went ahead and tied it all together with some ribbon and added in some pencils and that cute flag banner. And then for the Meet the Teacher gift, I went ahead and used one of those mugs, made a floral arrangement, and popped in one of those flag banners. So this is our breakfast for the first day of school. Super sweet, super simple, and my daughter absolutely thought this was just the cutest. So I went ahead and made her a banana that was very on brand for the day. And then we went ahead and made some themed waffles. They were supposed to look like pencils, but they didn't totally turn out, so don't come for me in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If this is a video style you like, give it a thumbs up. I enjoy vlogging. Sometimes they're just a little bit easier for me to like crank these videos out. So if you guys also enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Lets me know that you guys actually enjoy this style content. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you here at the Cook's Cottage. We do super fun stuff around here, a lot of holiday decor. We do a lot of DIYs and home renovations. We do just daily lifestyle vlogging, and then any other thing that I can kind of squeeze in that we're doing during the week. So if this is something you guys would be interested in, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you here. But that is going to do it for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.